artificial no es que solo nos está reciendo las industrias, conectando las plataformas que usamos cada día. Desde el más que está punto, Apple maneja los asistentes por poder automatizar la inteligencia, hasta platas con chips que ponen inteligencia directamente en nuestras gafas y Macs. Mientras tanto, Netflix es quietly transformando su experiencia usuaria con el AI generativo, que torna la simple descubrimiento, y en el proceso redefine la cultura de la interacción con el contenido. In this episode, we dive into the companies pushing the boundaries of AI, not in theory, but in practice. This is the front line of the AI takeover. Welcome to AINN. Elon Musk's transformation of Twitter into X isn't just a rebrand. It's a calculated attempt to reshape how billions of people communicate, transact, and interact with the digital world. At the core of this mission is a financial product that, on the surface, might seem simple: X Money, a digital wallet and peer-to-peer payment system. But in reality, it represents a major pivot in the platform's evolution, a move that could place X in direct competition with tech giants like Apple, Google, and PayPal. So what is X Money exactly? It's Musk's answer to services like Venmo, Zelle, and Apple Pay, allowing users to send, receive, and potentially store money directly within the X platform. X Corp has already secured money transmitter licenses in 42 states and the District of Columbia, and it's working to obtain regulatory approval in the remaining holdouts, including New York, the most influential financial hub in the country. Musk's goal is clear: to create a fully integrated financial ecosystem within X, where users don't need to leave the platform to conduct business, split bills, subscribe to creators, or even make retail purchases. He's openly said he wants X to become the everything app, an American counterpart to China's WeChat, which blends messaging, social media, payments, and commerce into one seamless interface. While X Money's initial rollout focuses on basic financial transactions, Musk's broader ambitions suggest a future where artificial intelligence plays a central role in how users interact with their money. This is where Grok, the AI chatbot developed by his startup xAI, comes into play. Grok is already live on X as a conversational assistant, and its capabilities are growing rapidly. In the context of X Money, it's not hard to envision Grok evolving into a real-time financial agent, a tool that doesn't just chat with you, but helps manage your economic life. You might soon be able to ask Grok to send $20 to a friend, summarize your spending this week, or suggest cheaper subscription plans, and have those tasks executed instantly through X Money. Beyond convenience, an AI-integrated financial layer unlocks advanced features like automated budgeting, fraud detection, and spending insights, services that fintech companies have offered for years, but never inside a global social network. By embedding these tools natively within X, Musk could create a frictionless, always-on financial assistant that learns from your habits and adapts in real time. And while Elon Musk is building a financial assistant into the heart of X, his fiercest competition in the AI hardware war isn't Meta or Google, it's Apple, which is quietly orchestrating one of the most strategic chip plays in tech history. While Musk is betting on conversational intelligence and platform-level payments, Apple is embedding AI deeper into the silicon itself, preparing a generational leap in how devices process, understand, and respond to the world around us. At the heart of Apple's move is a new wave of specialized AI chips currently in development for three critical fronts: smart glasses, next-gen Macs, and powerful AI servers. Each of these chips serves a different purpose, but they all share one thing in common: Apple-designed neural processing, tightly integrated with the company's hardware and software ecosystem. Apple's upcoming smart glasses are reportedly designed to directly compete with Meta's Ray-Ban Meta glasses, which currently dominate the wearable camera and voice assistant market. But Apple's play is different. Instead of off-the-shelf chips like Qualcomm's AR processors, which Meta relies on, Apple is developing a custom chip derived from the Apple Watch's low-power silicon, engineered specifically to handle camera feeds, real-time audio, and on-device AI. This could allow Apple's glasses to process visual data instantly, identifying objects, translating signs, or offering navigation, without needing to ping the cloud. That's a massive leap in both privacy and responsiveness, two pillars of Apple's brand identity. And there's the Mac. While the M1 through M3 chips already revolutionized desktop performance, Apple isn't slowing down. Internally, work is already underway on M6 and M7 chipsets, with larger and faster neural engines built directly into the silicon. These upgrades are designed to power the next generation of on-device AI features, from real-time transcription and summarization to photo editing and even local generative models. The idea is to move away from reliance on cloud-based tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, and instead run your most important AI tasks locally, privately, and instantly. But the most under-the-radar move might be Apple's AI server chip project, codenamed Project AC/DC. These custom server chips aren't for consumers. They're for Apple's own infrastructure, designed to replace NVIDIA GPUs and power back-end AI tasks like Siri, iCloud Photos, and whatever next-gen AI assistant Apple unveils next. It's vertical integration at the cloud level, a step Meta has only recently begun exploring with its MTIA chips. In essence, Apple is betting that the future of AI isn't just about smarter algorithms. It's about owning the hardware that runs them. Whether it's glasses on your face, chips in your Mac, or servers processing your voice commands, Apple wants its AI to be faster, more private, and deeply embedded in every device you use. And with Meta charging ahead in social AI, Apple is quietly building the tools to win the AI experience war, one chip at a time. As Apple and Meta battle over the future of AI hardware, from smart glasses to server silicon, another tech giant is taking a different approach. Instead of building AI into physical devices, Netflix is weaving it directly into the user experience, and in doing so, it's redefining how we find and interact with content in the streaming age. In its most significant interface overhaul in over a decade, Netflix is integrating generative AI across its platform, aiming to make discovery faster, smarter, and more personal than ever before. The update goes far beyond cosmetic tweaks. At the core of this redesign is an AI-powered conversational search engine, allowing users to find content using natural language rather than clunky filters or endless scrolling. Rather than typing the name of a show, you can now say things like, "Show me something funny and under 30 minutes," or "I want a thriller with a strong female lead." Netflix's AI interprets the intent, sifts through its catalog, and returns hyper-relevant recommendations based on your mood, interests, and viewing history. This is a major shift, not just in UX, but in how AI is operationalized at the front end of a consumer product. While companies like Apple are embedding neural engines into hardware, and Meta is developing AI for avatars and AR, Netflix is focusing squarely on user-facing intelligence. Its new interface is designed to make choice feel effortless, leveraging AI to handle the cognitive load of content discovery. But conversational search is just one layer. Netflix is also integrating real-time personalization, powered by AI models that adapt to your behaviors as they happen. The system can analyze not just what you watch, but when you watch, how long you hover on a trailer, what you skip, and even which moods dominate your evening habits. Based on this data, recommendations are adjusted dynamically, so the homepage isn't just what's trending or top picks, it's what's right for you, right now. Visually, the platform is getting a facelift too. The outdated sidebar navigation is being replaced by a cleaner top navigation bar, segmenting content into home, shows, movies, games, and a personalized My Netflix tab. On mobile, Netflix is experimenting with a vertical video feed, borrowing the TikTok-style swipe interface to showcase trailers and content snippets you can instantly play, share, or add to your list. These changes aren't just modern, they're optimized for the short-form, swipe-driven way younger generations consume media. Interestingly, this AI update is rolling out in phases, with iOS users gaining early access to the conversational search, while Android users are expected to receive the vertical content feed first. Smart TVs and platforms like Apple TV, Roku, and Samsung will follow later this year. Netflix's move marks a subtle but important evolution in the AI race. Not every breakthrough needs custom chips or neural engines. Sometimes it's about putting AI where it matters most, at the point of interaction, shaping the user experience in ways that feel invisible, helpful, and uniquely human. In a world of hardware wars and billion-dollar silicon projects, Netflix is quietly showing that the smartest AI may be the one you barely notice. From digital wallets cowered by conversational AI to custom silicon driving the next wave of smart devices, and even streaming platforms reimagined with generative intelligence, one thing is clear. Artificial intelligence is no longer a side feature. It's the core operating system of the future. Elon Musk is building a financial assistant into the heart of X. Apple is engineering chips that make AI seamless, invisible, and deeply personal. And Netflix is rewiring content discovery with algorithms that understand what you want, before you do. As AI moves from servers into glasses, wallets, and home screens, the line between human intention and machine execution is disappearing. Whether that future feels empowering or invasive will depend on how these systems are built. and who controls them. We'll be watching it all, one breakthrough at a time. Thanks for tuning in to AINN. See you in the future.